My people, how na dey? My name na AU David. I go do you all in one. Ogadago himself. They say na respect dey make fowl bed now if you reach domo, not because say fowl tall. Now wetin dog do for where yam dey, na make dem dey pursue dog, not because a dog dey eat yam. We don come out with another good news. This one go shock you. In fact, it go shorterize your brain. Make we dey talk as we see am. Buhari don approve $100 million for National Assembly make dem take renovate their building. Una know the building now. Me, I don't know wetin they wan renovate for that building. In fact, they wan change window, change the chair, sometimes buy computer. Na they approve $100 million make it take do. Some people don dey talk and say the reason why Buhari approve this money na bribe na use am bribe National Assembly people. Yes, they talk am, not be me dey talk am. They say na bribe na use am take bribe them so that the National Assembly will also approve $37 billion for am when he say he wan borrow. He say he wan borrow $37 billion. So they do this one make dem still approve you. And so people talk. But this thing, as I dey hear am, the thing mesmerize my brain. E come shortalize me because wetin they need this one for, I no know. Come to think of it, wetin they need this money for again? Why they want borrow money again? When it be say Nigeria don already dey own $70 billion. We never pay $70 billion. Nigeria don already dey owe $70 billion for money when they borrow. Now we no see wetin they use the money do. Borrow not be even the problem when I get. Wetin then they use the money when they borrow do, na be the problem. Now this one I will dey talk. You borrow, fine. Wetin that they use and do. If now something they use and build down, they use and do better thing. Maybe say the thing go come bring the income for the thing when go come, it go reach to pay the thing back. We not go the quarrel, we not go the shout, we not go the verse. But the thing be say, by the time they borrow the money, 80% of that money go enter into their pocket. At the end of the day, they will still use our money till they find them, they fight them, they pay EFCC, they pay judge, they pay this, say that they fight corruption. The money when they fake borrow, use corruption, fake carry. They'll still go they use the money again when it remain till they fight these same people. If you even get anyone when they convict now, they go sentence them to jail. They go see they use the same money till they pay them every month, 14.2 million every month. I don't know what they worry us. You just imagine all this thing. Okay, look at it. Talking about 100 million. America, when something for there, when it be say labor high, everything for there is high past our side. We can get material cheap. Yes, material cheap for Nigeria past America. America use whole one. Sorry, not be 100. This 100 don't enter my brain. America use $800 to $1 million. $800 to $1 million. They build clinic. Look at the clinic where they built. See them. Everything, all the equipment where they need, they inside. Ultrasound, scan, everything where they need for the hospital, is there inside. $800 to $1 million. That means that 100 million will build 100 hospital for Nigeria. 100 clinic. It will build 100 clinic for Nigeria. Each state will get 2 or more clinic. Where these people go, they're gonna go the fly, go abroad, go do treatment or spend our money anyhow. They go get this thing for Nigeria. Common man when they sick go see where you go. Then when they say that they power go sick, they get where you go because you go equip everything. They don't do this one. Ghana in 2010 not too far now. Not too far. 2010. Ashasi University, Ghana used $6.4 million to build an Ashasi University. Look, beauty. Look out. Just look am. 6.4 million. Now they take build am. Everything dey inside. Okay, let's say 2010 till now something don increase more. Something we no go doubt that one. Something don increase. Okay, let's put it say 10 million now. By this time now let's say 10 million. That mean say this 100 million go give Nigeria 10 university or like this 10 go build am. Everything go, the library, everything go dey inside. Na that money na Buhari open eye. Buhari wey dey fight corruption, Buhari wey no corrupt, Buhari wey this, Buhari wey that, open the eye, approve am, sign am for dem make dem take renovate am. Wetin dey happen to Nigeria? Where we for miss am? Wetin? Who do this to us? Who do this one? Who? Abeg, I dey vex. The thing dey vex me. Abeg, don't dey vex me. As they vex me now, I not know only make I talk too much, because if I too talk now, I feel a sort person. Because if I talk more than this one now, they'll call am hate speech. So you, when they listen to me now, how you see this thing? I want to see your comment. Write your comment for the downside, the down where they put comment. How you see am? This one is good. Make we go on that one. Finally, they don't free Sowore and Dasuki. And this small thing, oh. You see, we don't shout, make them free these people. They not agree. Court release them. They not agree. Now, America come talk. As America pressurize them, say, if we don't do this thing, we go sanction. In fact, if we don't sanction Nigeria, now Buhari can't give order, make them release them. The problem when I get, this one means say Nigeria court, you know, get power at all. Say na Buhari can be the executive, the legislator, and even the judiciary. Now when Buhari say make them release, now they go release. Not even when court talk now. See Dasuki, 4 different high court, now free Dasuki. Since last year, October last year, 2018, they no green release until December 24, 2019, when Buhari order made them release am. Now they go release that Dasuki. See Sowore, they don't free am, they rearrest am. Everybody shout, they no green release am until Buhari say release him before they can release am. Where this one will lead us to? Situation where be say na one man, only one man, na him be the judge, na him be the president, na him be the legislator. Now waiting him talk, na true, we don't enter one chance. This one a dictatorship. This one not be presidential system of government at all. Now dictatorship na be this one. This one no, we don't know waiting. We don't know where would they go for this one. Now only him. Now when he say court, you go court. When he say chop, you chop. When he say no chop, you no go chop. This one not be waiting Nigeria vote for. Where we they use this period, they congratulate our brother Sowore. Opo Sowore, we they congratulate you for release when they release you, but we don't know whether the release don't genuine, whether they go arrest you again. But they release you, make you do Christmas with your family. That one a good thing. Good thing. Brother, my brother, I beg, they waka well for this one. And make sure say you they look your back anytime when they waka. If they say they release you that motor fit jam you, they look your back well so that if motor they come, you will come off for road. Once again, we say congratulations from AUDV TV. We hope pray say this release when they release you so they not go arrest you again. That's how one be our prayer, so that you go answer your court case well. Despite say some court judge say they not get harm for your case again, they don't pull out of your case, it never spoil. God will save you. God will save you. We pray for you from this side. My people, we don talk am as we see am. Una wey dey lis ten to us, we wan see una contribution. Make una always dey write wetin how una see am for the downside, whether wetin dem dey do e good or e no good. If you support am, write am. If you no support am, still write am. And for you wey never subscribe, wetin you still dey wait for? Subscribe, put your hand. As we dey do am, you go dey see am as we just dey drop am. Na the reason why you wan subscribe na be that one. Just press the button, and you remember to also click on the bell icon, that is notification. Anytime we take drop am, you go dey see am. You no go miss anything. God bless you. And na so we see today. Make we comot for here, before they turn am to H. Why they talk am that time? H or H. Anyway, anyhow they talk am, na speech na dey put. God bless you.